Beautiful people, what's happening? On this next episode, you're going to learn how to make Middle Eastern pickles. These are very, very nice. They go incredibly well with shawarma, falafel, just pretty much anything. And they're very nice to eat like that as well. So particularly the cauliflower. Cauliflower is lovely. Let's get pickling. Okay, so for these pickles, we're going to start off with the main thing, the cauliflower, 2 red peppers. I've got here 3 slices of lemon, as you can see, 1 chili. I've got a whole bulb of garlic here. Salt, I'm going to be using about 5 tablespoons. We may need more. 2 sticks of celery, 4 carrots, which I've topped and tailed. We're going to be slicing them quite thin. I've got here a cup of lemon juice, 5 cups of water, and half a cup of vinegar. We're going to start off with our carrots. Chili, we're going to remove the seeds. Celery. Lemons. Cabbage. I'm only using half of the cauliflower. Red peppers. Okay, so what we need to do now is add hot water to the cauliflower with some salt. So basically salt water. That's going to clean it. We're going to leave that in there for about 5 minutes. Okay, so while the cauliflower is sitting there in salt water, we're going to make our vinegar, basically. So I'm going in with the water, lemon juice. I'm going to start off with about a 1/4 cup of vinegar. See how we get along. Just about 4 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to bring that to the boil and I'm going to let it cool before I transfer it into the glass jar. Okay, I've just added in the extra 1/4 of vinegar.
Eventually.
Okay, that boiled. I've just taken it off the flame now. And now we're going to start filling our jar. Okay, so just so you can see our little rainbow of pickle salad that we've got going on here. That's the big jar that we've got. Okay, so I'm just going to start layering these now. I didn't cut the garlic, I'm just going to leave it like that. You want to pack this right down. So I've got about that much left of the cauliflower and that much left of the cabbage. Cook that in a bit. Use it for something else. Now, so in a minute, once this has cooled down, I'm going to transfer it in. Okay, we are ready to pour. In the meantime, you'll see that it starts to bubble up as well. So that's just some air being released. And that will then wait for all the bubbles to stop and that will give you the true reading of how much more liquid you're going to need. Okay, so that's done now. What's going to happen is every few days I'm going to give it a shake. And you want to let this brew basically. So what's going to happen is the longer you leave this, the better it gets. You can leave this for months, even better. Like honestly, the longer you leave it, comes out better. So every few days, like I said, I'm going to give it a shake. What you want essentially is the celery. That's the one that's going to give it the most amount of flavour in there. So that's your best friend in this. And just trust me, this comes out absolutely beautiful. So I also gave it a little bit of a stir because there was too much orange on one side and red. So now it looks a bit more even. And there it is. I'll see you in a few days.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, folks. So good few days have passed, about 5 days. And these are ready to go now. Just want to show you one thing. Right, you can see the garlic there, that's going a bit blue. Now, that's a chemical reaction that occurs when garlic is exposed to acidity. And that's totally fine. It won't lose its texture and it won't lose pretty much anything else, or the flavor really. In fact, the Chinese, I believe, when they go green, they've got like a particular tradition where they eat those at some point in that state. So yeah, it's fine. Nothing will happen. but these are absolutely divine. So just I'm going to do an I hate ASMR, the most cringe thing in the world, but I'm going to do it anyway, just so you can see that it's still kept the original crunch of it. So we're going to start off with the cauliflower. The carrots. Basically, folks, make it for yourselves. It's really, really nice, very easy, and just lasts forever. So yeah, as always, folks, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please do not forget, show some love. If you can hit the like button, do subscribe and leave a comment, please. If you're gonna hit the like button, leave a comment so I know who you are, so I can say thanks. Love you all. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.